Welcome back to AI Made Easy, guys. Today, I am here to show you how you can create videos like SYPAC. In case you are not familiar with him, let me give you a brief introduction to his channel. SYPAC primarily uploads AI avatar animation videos, and the remarkable thing is that he has amassed over 700,000 subscribers with just 100 videos. Most of his short videos consistently garner over 300,000 views. When it comes to his earnings, Social Blade indicates that he earns an estimated $2,000 to $27,000 per month. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so first, let me give you a list of tools that we will not be using in this video, so that you can have a clear idea that you are here for something new. We will not be using Midjourney, Blue Willow AI, Studio DID, Lexica, and Video AI, as many people are facing issues using these tools. So, to create shorts like SYPAC, we will first need an AI avatar. For that, we will be using Playground AI. You can find the link to Playground AI in the description below. Once you are on Playground AI, you can simply sign in for free. After signing in, you will see the main page. On the main page, you will find a wide variety of pre-generated images that you can download. Alternatively, you can click on the Create option. Then, click on the Filter button and select the Realistic Vision 2 inches option. Next, write a prompt to generate your image. For example, you can use the prompt provided in this tutorial. On the right-hand side, make sure to choose the image dimensions suitable for creating shorts. Then click on the Generate option. Then you can simply click on the Download option right here, and the image will start downloading. Now that we have our avatar ready, we need our script. For that, we will be using ChatGPT and write this prompt over here. Then select any one topic from its output and ask ChatGPT to write a shorts video script for it. Now that we have our avatar and script ready, we need someone to narrate the script for us. For this purpose, we will be using 11 Labs. You can log in for free by visiting their website. Once you are logged in, you will see the main page. In the first option, you can select your preferred voice. I strongly recommend using the Anthony voice as it sounds the best. Leave the other options as they are. Then, enter your script in the text section and click on the Generate option. Soon, your script will be ready with the desired voice. Also, the voice you are currently hearing has been generated using the same process. Now you can see that the audio is generated. You can simply click on the Download option to download it. Now the next thing is to make our avatar speak out our script. Now on this point, many YouTubers ask you to use Studio DID, but the problem is that it has stopped giving free service for now. So I have a much better tool for you here, and that is Hagen. You can visit this website and sign in for free. Then you will see this page. Here you can simply hover over the Create Video option and select the portrait mode. Here you will already see a lot of characters present, which you can use for free. But as we have our own avatar, I will click on my avatar and click on Upload option. Then, once we have uploaded our avatar, adjust it properly on the screen and click on Audio Script option. Then upload your script. Also, you must be seeing a watermark right here. Do not worry, as I will be showing you how to avoid the watermark later on. But for now, you can click on Generate option and wait for it to generate your video. Once your video is generated, click on the Download option to download it. Now, the next step to remove the watermark from the video. For that, we will go to Canva and create a Shorts template. Here you just have to drag and drop your downloaded video, and once the video is uploaded here, bring it on the main canvas, and in the Elements section look for Black Blur. Now you will see that to use Black Blur, you need Canva Premium. If you want Canva Premium for free, then check the description, or else I will provide a PNG file link for this blur in the description. Now you just have to drag and drop the blur on the bottom of the video screen and adjust it accordingly so that it hides the watermark. Then simply click on Share option and download it. Now our video is 90% ready. Let's take a look at the video. Tip number 1. Set clear goals and prioritize your tasks. Start with the most important ones to make the most of your time. Tip number 2. Break down big tasks. The video looks good, but still there is something missing. Let's take a look at one of SYPAC's shorts. Here, We can see that he adds subtitles to his videos, which makes them 10 times more effective. So if you want to add subtitle like these to your videos, then we have already explained it in this video, so please check it out. Thank you for watching. If this video has helped you in some ways, then please hit the like button and show your support through comments.